Okay, also, I was just sitting here minding my business, okay? And then I heard a scratching sound from the tarantula shelf. And then I saw the lid moving from one of the boxes, so now we're gonna check it out. Who is doing that or why that someone is doing that, okay? So let's check that out. Okay, so I think we see the one who's doing it. Okay, she definitely directly hid in there. Guys, that is my Pselmo, nah, not Pselmo. That's my Pamphibidius Machalda. And she was definitely trying to open the box. And I wouldn't be mad at her. She's gonna be rehoused soon, but still, hey. Just a reminder for y'all, spiders are strong. So be careful.